I used to compete in natural bodybuilding, basically, and after my first show, I was probably like 26. I was tired all the time, I had no sex drive, so I wanted to get all my hormone levels checked. I knew that if I went to my primary care doctor, it'd probably be pretty limited, and so I really wanted to go to someone who specialized in like just hormone replacement. I noticed that the lab work was really thorough, and the doctor was very thorough of like all the stuff that she went over, not just like my testosterone levels, but cortisol and all these other things that were off. After I started on the therapy, it changed my life in a lot of ways. I got my energy back, my drive back, my sex drive came back. It definitely helped my workouts. I was much stronger. I could get through like a whole workout without feeling sluggish, and then my recovery time was a lot faster. I gained 10 pounds of muscle, lean muscle in probably like 2 months. And I just felt like more productive. I felt like how I should feel as, at the time, like 30-year-old man, and just kind of enjoy my life the way it ought to be.